Hello, this is Kathy Gross with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and I wanted to point out a relatively new feature here in QuickBooks Online that just showed up, and not a whole lot has been said about it because they've been focusing on the Reconcile feature, which is a really good feature to have, but that's been overdone. So I wanted to talk about something that hasn't really been touched on yet, a whole lot that I've seen. I am in Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. That is the sample company in the QBO file. And so we're going to go down here to the left tab here. You'll see a new option called Accounting. Now, once you click on that option, you'll see that you have two choices. You can toggle into either the chart of accounts and the Reconcile. Usually it'll default to the chart of accounts. And that just gives you an opportunity to go into your chart of accounts where you can do stuff to it. You can actually view the register of any of your accounts, or you can run a report. Say, like if you wanted to go in and run a report of your accounts and just see what's going on. And I'm not going to play around with all the settings, but you can go in it. But we're going to go back to the accounting tab, and that'll take us back to our chart of accounts again. So that is great, because before you would have to go through the gear icon to actually get to the chart of accounts and all that. So that's just a really quick way to get to it. Now you can also get to the Reconcile screen quickly using that same area. So you're going to go ahead and click on where it says Reconcile. And then you can actually go down here. And if you're relatively new to the file and haven't used it in a while, these little pop-ups come up, which are really helpful if you haven't used it. So anyway, to get to the Reconcile screen, you choose whichever account you're going to reconcile, and then you go in here and you do all the stuff. But the other thing you can also look at is any reconciliation history that you might have. So if you click on this button, and if you've gotten any reconciliations done, you can go in there and look at those. And in the sample account, we don't have anything going on yet, but you would see all those listed. But that's what I wanted to show y'all today. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. So that, to me, I just think that's a wonderful feature that didn't get really talked about a whole lot. So remember, that's the accounting tab right here that you can go into to access both your chart of accounts and to get into the Reconcile screen and look at your reconciliation history. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day.